2026, there was an A-level maths question that was about to be put in, but it was deemed so difficult by the examination board that they had to pull it out at the last second. What was this question? Well, that question is, what is the probability that Dom Toretto says family in the next Fast and Furious film that comes out in 2028? And then after this, calculate the expected number of times he says it in the next film. In this question, we are given a large data set with all the Fast and Furious films, but then are told that Dom Toretto only appears in 8 of them. And so, contrary to popular belief, out of the 8 films that Dom Toretto appears in, he only says family 5 out of 8 times. This gives us an estimate probability of 5 out of 8. And so if we take the complement, that's going to give us 3 over 8. So if we let x equal the number of times he says it in the final film, if we take a look at the observed frequencies here, we get this table. Okay, and when we calculate our expected value here, we get 13 over 8, which is 1.625. So as a result, the model expects him to say it approximately 1.6 times. But there was a part B here, and that was to state any assumptions. So what assumptions did we assume here? The first thing we assumed was the amount of times he said family was correct in the first place. And the second thing we assumed is that this film is going to be just like the others. Which, let's be honest, it probably will be, but you never know.